move it.
I can hear gunshots.
Yeah, I'm getting in this car. I'm getting the fuck out of here. There's a zombie. There's a dead AI. It's no way to roll solo, man. Not with the zombies and the AI around.
Thomas?
Let's go off-roading in a muscle car.
Always a good time.
Oh, that was good air, actually.
Okay, I can go get Sanity.
No, I'm only 3,000 meters away, and I've got a faster car. I'll do it.
Alright.
I'm just going as the crow flies, though. I'm not dilly-dallying anymore.
I'm just trying to avoid breaking this thing so I don't have to repair it.
Oh, that would be 145, and I died.
That's what happens when you go as the crow flies.